Hi guys, it's Victoria. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these beautiful and delicious lemon raspberry cupcakes. So let's get started. To start off, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients into a bowl and whisk. This is actually a really fun recipe to make during the spring or the summertime, so I thought that I would share it with you guys today. And once you're done mixing your dry ingredients, you're going to get another bowl and you're going to start mixing your wet ingredients. In your next bowl, you're going to cream together your sugar and your softened butter. Once your butter and sugar are combined, you're going to put in one egg at a time. Once you're done combining your eggs, you're going to add in your vanilla extract. And lastly, you're going to add in your lemon zest. So once you're done mixing all your wet ingredients together, we're going to get back the bowl we were mixing last time, and we're going to put in half, and we're going to whisk that together. After adding half of our dry ingredients, we're going to mix in our sour cream, and now we're going to mix in our lemon juice. Once that's all mixed up, you're going to add the rest of your dry ingredients and mix that all together. Once it's fully combined, you want to move it over to the side and get your raspberries to coat them into the flour. Now that you've covered your raspberries in flour, you want to mix them into the batter and combine. Now that your raspberries are combined, you're going to take an ice cream scooper and scoop it into your lined cupcake tray. Now that your batter is all done, it's the perfect time to preheat your oven to 325. You want to put it in the oven for 20 to 23 minutes. So now that our cupcakes are baking in the oven, it's time to start on the fun part, our frosting. You're going to add in your butter and your 4 cups of powdered sugar. Now that we mix everything together, we're going to add in our raspberry juice, our lemon juice, and our lemon zest. Now that all of that is mixed together, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream and salt. Now we're going to mix it for 2 minutes. So now that our frosting is all mixed, I went ahead and put it in a piping bag, and as you can see, our cupcakes are all cooled, so let's get to frosting. Have it, our lemon raspberry cupcakes. I hope you guys have as much fun making this as I did, and thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers!